Hey, what's up? It's Krissy and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is all about the high puff, okay? I'm going to show you how I did this accessorized high puff look. If you're not new to this channel and you've seen videos before, then you know I love accessories and I personally feel like it could bring your hairstyle from one level to the next. So if you want to see how I did this, just keep watching. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is wet the front of my hair. I don't really want to wet the actual puff because I've been rocking it for a couple of days and I don't want it to have too much shrinkage. So I'm going to wet my hair in the front and then I'm going to follow up with the leave-in conditioner. And I'm going to put that leave-in conditioner all over in the back of my puff and in the front of my hair. Alright, so now I'm going to create a part in the middle so that I can do that little flat twist that I had. So I'm going to part it on each side. And I'm being really gentle with my hair. It looks like I'm being rough because I sped up the footage a little bit, but I'm being really gentle when I'm taking it apart like that. And then I'm going to detangle it once I start working on that section. Alright, so now that I got my part, like I said, I'm just going to add some water and some products and I am going to detangle my hair and start to flat twist it. I know people talk sometimes about like the beauty supply oils. It works for me, but if you don't want this particular brand, I would definitely get like a jojoba oil though, because it definitely helps soften your hair when you're detangling. So when I get to the middle where that part is no longer there, I'm going to secure that flat twist with the rubber band and then just include it into the rest of my puff. So like I said, I'm putting that detangler all over my hair. I'm going to add some more and I'm just going to put it around the sides and in the back of my head. At this point, I was like deciding if I wanted to do like 2 twists at the side. And even though I did it for this video and I thought it was cute, I probably won't do it like that again just because I feel like it's a little more maintenance, or maybe I'm just lazy. I don't know. So I separated the sections on each side and now I'm just going to twist it as close to the root as I can. Just little small twists to just kind of hang up the side. And I'm going to do this for this side and repeat on the next one. So as you can see, I'm just trying to put my hair up, I'm brushing it, I added gel, and I'm just going to secure it with the ponytail holder for now so that I could just keep all the hair in one place. But I'm eventually going to secure it with like a stocking. But yeah, I'm just keeping it up there so I can have everything in one place. Alright, so now I'm going to add some gold accessories to the front of my flat twist because it looks a little basic right now, but like I told y'all before, y'all, I'm here for all of the hair accessories, okay? Okay, so now that I added all of my accessories, I'm actually going to secure my hair with the stocking like I told you. So I'm going to tie that, remove the hair tie, and put the stocking on. The reason why I'm doing that, I explained this on my IGTV, but if you're not following me on IG, you should. But the reason why I do it with the stocking now is because let's just address the elephant in the room. Edges were not like how they used to be, okay? They are going through some drama, and I cannot put the tension on my edges anymore. So if I do puff styles, I'm gonna have to do it with something that I can control the tightness of a little more than a scrunchie or a headband. But yeah, now I'm going to put some more leave-in conditioner on my puff, and then I'm just gonna tie this down, leave it on for a little bit so that it can really, you know, lay like I need it to, and I'll be back and show you the end result. All right, what's up, y'all? I am back. So I've left this scarf on for probably about 40 minutes to an hour. So let's just finish this look. I've already looked at it because I filmed another video, by the way. So if you want to see how I did this makeup look, you know what I'm saying? Just go ahead, click the card. I'm gonna put it up there. But yeah, let's do this takedown real quick. Whoo, you see that? Slick down to the ground, slick down. Okay, I am gonna add just some accessories here too. Y'all know I don't really talk through this part, but yeah, I'm just gonna add the accessories and come back. All right, so this is it. I've added my little accessories. This is my little puff. If you want to have a puff but you don't want it to look so regular, just throw some accessories on her. Leave your little side twist or your little side hairs out, and that's all you need to do. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or just want to be like, hey girl, I like your hair, just let me know that in the comments below. And as always, if you know someone who can benefit from this video, go ahead and share it with them, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.